Hi everyone, this is Miss Dawn once again, your Junior Project Sales Consultant of Felinvest Land Incorporated. So I'll just give you an idea about the pre-selling and the RFO or the ready for occupancy. So ang RFO kasi guys, it means ready for occupancy. So madali lang agad kayong makakalipat within 3 to 4 months until makomply nyo lahat ng requirements at maibigay nyo yung total down payment. So, that is ito yung pinakamadali para agad makalipat. While the pre-selling, ito ay medyo matagal siya kasi wala pa yung building but you keep paying your obligation, no? Yung equity. So, ibig sabihin, magpe-pay ka until na matapos mong bayaran yung equity na yun, yung total down payment na yun. If ever, kailangan mo itong bayaran within 2 to 3 years. Then after that, at dahil meron namang completion kung kailan matapos yung building, then kung pwede na kayong mag-turnover sa inyo, then you have to comply all the requirements or the documents needed. At ang kaibahan lang talaga nila ay mas mura ang pre-selling kasi napaghahandaan mo yon at matagal. So, hindi gaya ng RFO na biglaang labas ng pera kaya medyo mabigat siya kasi kailangan mo ng malaking pera. If ever the down payment is 200,000. So, you have to give it the total amount, the 200,000 down payment para maibigay mo para within 3 to 4 months makalipat na agad. While the pre-selling, ang 200,000 na down payment is divided the total years na kailangan mong magbayad. Halimbawa, you need to pay for the total amount for 2 years. So, ayan, medyo matagal yung pagbayad mo at makakaluwag naman talaga sa iyo. So, that's the difference kung hindi mo naman kailangan agad na tirahan. Pero pag kailangan mo na talagang lumipat, so, you need to choose the RFO. So, for future lang naman, so, pwede mo yung pre-selling para naman mapaghahandaan mo din. So, that's the difference between the pre-selling and the RFO. So, I hope nabigyan ko kayo ng idea para makapagplano kayo kung ano ang pipiliin mo, yung RFO ba or yung pre-selling. So, I hope na makapag-decide kayo at andito lang naman ako. Madali lang talaga akong lapitan everyone kasi ayan, I am so easy to approach. One call away lang din kaya saan ka pa, di ba? So dito ka na sa friendly at mapagkakatiwalaan na sales consultant. Ayan, thank you for watching and I hope na nakapagbigay linaw din ako sa inyo at kung ano man ang ibang nyong katanungan ay i-PM nyo lang ako. Thank you for watching.